How to make Twitch background on Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a Twitch background easy and fast in only 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Canva, then go here down and click on this plus button and search for Twitch, and you will find the Twitch background right here. Click on it and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page right here. Here you will find all the templates as you can see. Now click on any of them. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here, and as you can see, this background is so good. It's time of live is starting in, and you can edit it as you want from here. Add the photo, add anything you want, and after you finish, just click here and click download. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.